Honorable Famureo, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Ajibola Israel Famurewa, the member representing Atakumosa East and West, Ilesha East and West. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I'm from State of Osun. I rise to move that a bill for an act to establish the Certified Council of Nigeria Dental Nurses and Dental Surgery Technicians to provide for the control of its membership and to promote and foster the practice of dental nursing and for other matters connected therewith be read for the second time. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
My name is Aliyu Sanuma Daki. I represent the people of Dala Federal Constituency. I'm from Kano. I stand to second the motion as ably moved by my honorable colleague. I so second.
Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, as of today, dental nursing is a very critical part of dentistry family, and about 18 institutions in Nigeria today offer different courses in this particular area. It's a professional course that we believe that the operator in this field is supposed to have a special qualification to practice in that area. As of today, we have about 1.3 of them in Nigeria. And we now feel that to have this kind of people, we need a body that we control for effective operation. We need a body that will set the standard for the operation and regulation of the discipline in the dentist family. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, this bill seeks to make provision for establishment of a control that will control, promote, and foster practice of effective and smoother running of the association. The bill also seeks to determine standard of knowledge and skill to be acquired by a person seeking license to practice as a dental nurse. Some of the objectives of this bill. This bill, when passed, will determine the standard of knowledge and skill I've stated earlier to be acquired and attained by person seeking to become a registered member of the council. It will secure establishment and maintenance of register for members so that we will know the actual numbers of people operating in this particular discipline. It will encourage, increase, disseminate and promote the education and training of members admitted thereof, and exchange of information and ideas within the people within the family. This council will also conduct examination in the relevant professions in awarding certificates to a successful candidate. They will participate in formulation of policy, in guiding and practice and welfare, keeping abreast with developments in management of dental nursing, healthcare delivery in our society. They shall participate in curriculum development of training in dental nursing. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I want to submit that this bill is very harmless. It doesn't have any extra cost on the government, on the federal government. In other way, the council can actually sustain themselves when created. In the family of dentists, we have a lot of bodies that regulate different sectors, in which dental nurses up to now, they don't have anybody guiding or regulating them. We have the dental surgeons that have been regulated by the Medical Dentals Council of Nigeria, but dental nurses, they have nobody to take care of their interests. So in view of this, honorable colleagues, I want to appeal to this honorable house to consider this bill for second bill and let it pass. I know there may be some T's to cross and I's to dot, but I believe at the committee levels we can actually perfect it and make it to the standard. I wish and I appeal to my honorable colleagues to allow this bill to pass the second reading. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I so submit.
And the question is, honorable members, that the bill be now read the second time. Those in favor say aye. Those against it say nay.
Take it again. Take it again, sir.
Put the question again.
I'm not sure I heard very well. Let me open my ears first.
Order. Order, please. Honorable members, order, please.
I will put the question again. Honorable members,
please,
the
order.
question is that the bill be now read the second time. Those in favor of the motion say aye. And those against it say nay. The nays have it.